Yo guys, what's happening? It's your boy Liswango 2P. We're back again onto my YouTube channel. So obviously today we are going to be looking at US30 half past 3 trade. So already I took a trade, and then what I'll do is that I'll just jump in and show you what it is that I saw from this beautiful trade. But I did take a trade, on this beautiful pay US30, and it's currently moving well. It's moving so well. I shared it in the Discord group, in our private groups obviously, and just make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't already. I want you guys to see how I analyze, how I take trades and everything. So one thing that I'm gonna do is that we are now left with also 2 minutes to our half past 3 trade. So I want you guys to take time into seeing how I got to see this trade before it did happen. I want you guys to see the outcome of the first trade that I took and now the second trade that I'm playing with. And I think maybe we can add up a few scalings on that. So yeah, make sure that you do like, subscribe also if you're finding these videos a bit more valuable. And I want to see this side here, what actually the premium members are saying in the team, né? So let me just keep this open up and see what the members are saying in the team. And this side here, obviously we can simply see already, price tried to go a bit more to the upside, and now I think maybe price can be giving us a scaling opportunity. Let's see here, scaling opportunity somewhere around these areas here. So let's keep it managed. There's 1 minute to half past 3, and then I'll keep you guys updated with the outcome of this trade. Now we are going to be looking at US30, obviously, because I like to look at the pair US30. And let us start off from the 4-hour time frame, whereby I can show you guys what I'm seeing there. So obviously here with structure, you can see we've got our lower our highs, previous highs were here. Price came up to break the highs here. Obviously you can see, even if I draw my resistance zone here, you can simply see it broke out the highs, created new highs, then price formed a higher low, and then obviously we got followed by a higher high. So possibly we believe maybe price can give us some type of a higher low and then a higher high. But obviously I'm not a market maker, guys, so it doesn't mean it has to play out like this. What I'm saying is that since it's forming higher highs and higher lows, it's more likely to play out like this now. So I'll be taking a trade live with you guys. I already did take a trade like what, maybe a minute ago, but I'll show you guys how I was able to observe the trade now. Okay, so now that we saw that on the 4-hour, we saw the bigger momentum now. And then now we can simply see here we've got price also gave us structure highs, and then it started giving us, because it came from an impulsive move to a correction here, then it broke out, came back to retest once, went up, came back to retest twice. So here we can simply see that this is some sort of a support area, but now let us see what we can find of this. Okay, let me remove this, go back to the 15-minute. Okay, firstly on the 15-minute, I was able to spot out firstly this move here. Okay, because I took my first entry right here, and then price went down, it took me out stop loss. Then I saw another entry, I took it. Now I'll show you guys how I saw that on day. Okay, and then we will just take a look, because we're still left with like 20 minutes for half past 3 to be here, so we'll just see what's happening. So yes, this one I can now remove it. Safe, I'm safe, I believe that I'm safe. But now we are at structure lows. Remember with what I did show you guys from the 1-hour time frame, that we are now on a strong support zone. So it's either you draw your support zone all the way up to here, or you can draw it like how I had it here. But this one here is because of the fact that I drew it from the 5 minute. I'll show you guys how I drew it, because I wanted to get a much more deeper entry. But still the same thing is here. I'm looking at it from the previous year, going a bit more to the upside, just like this. You can see this area here, eventually price broke out, retest, went up, retest here, and then went up, first touch and then second touch. Now we are like literally seeing, waiting for this candle to close, because now this is a 15-minute candle. Once it closes, it will give us a clear direction of if it closed engulfingly to the upside, if you're going up and stuff. But I want to show you why I still took this trade, because I took it from the 5-minute. This is what I had on the 5-minute. I had this on the 5-minute, so obviously support area here. Price now, it went down massively here, but it started moving downwards. I even shared this trade in the premium team, but it started moving downwards in a corrective manner. So I was able to spot that it's losing momentum to the downside. As you can see, if I just draw my lines here, it's losing momentum to the downside, and eventually it broke out to the upside. But how I wanted this breakout to have been is that I took this breakout from the 1-minute break. So now I'm even able to scale to a much more tighter time frame, just so I can be able to see what the price is showing me. So I think I had I had something similar I had something like this, and then boom, it broke out, it came back, retest, and then it went up. After this candle, I bought somewhere around here. So my buy is here. I took my first trade here, remember, and then I lost when it went down. So now this is like, you know, close to a second trade now. Second trade. But so far for the week, I'm in profit, so I'm happy for the week. I can't lie, I can't complain, guys. I'm happy for the week. Okay, so obviously we are looking to take profit somewhere around these areas here. Let's see the risk compared to reward. It's still safe. So this is the trade that I'm actually looking at. But I want us to also take a look at what price is going to do at 3:30, because there's a lot of things that actually do happen. So I want you guys to see that with me. It's either price can shoot upwards, can shoot downwards, can take us out at stop loss, can take us out at break even. But I want you guys to see how I manage some of these trades. So those are one of the benefits that you are going to get from watching this video here. But even though you did get to see how I was able to execute this beautiful trade on US30. But let's continue going up. We might see somewhere around here, price can give us some type of you know, resistance zone somewhere around here. But I believe that if we break this area here, there's a high chance of us, you know, continue going back to going up, because this is where price was impulsive, then it started correcting here. So this is like, you know, literally our correction zone. Once we break out of here, I believe there's a higher momentum of price just continue going upwards and upwards and upwards. So let us see. I'll keep on updating you guys. We're killing. Premium members also eating. Yeah, the street was shared. Are you moving well?
Oh, I am. My makeup isn't done. I am.
Let's see. No, let us see. Okay, it's moving well so far. 2.5. Let us push it. Still shooting upwards.
You trade aggressively, bro.
Still pushing upwards. 3:30. We live 3:30. Guys, the market is aggressive. We are now on 3.2. Yeah. 3.5. We're literally on 3.5. Look at this. This is massive, guys. Look at her. Nessa. But we're going heavy. 3.7. Let's go. 4K. Let's go. Yeah. But are we going up, guys? We're going up. This is massive, guys. Take a look at this. I share this trade, like literally look at this. In the premium team, yeah, I was like, this is what's happening. And look at it now. Wow. No, this is insane. Look at this. Wow. She's coming well. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Yo, 5.2. Killed. Guys, we killed the markets. Look at this. We literally killed the market. 6K in 1 minute. 6,000 rands in 1 minute. This age we've got 1,200 rands in literally 1 minute. I'm done for the day, guys. 1 minute makes me 6K. I'm done. I'm out. As you can see, target has been reached. We hit take profit. We hit take profits, guys. We take profits. Nice one. She's still holding. I'm out. I took profits. We shared this trade in the team before it happened. This is how it was before it happened. This is what's happening now. In the Discord, in the 3.0, guys, we literally eating. We're eating massively, guys. We're eating massively. Guys, there you go. You saw how I was actually able to, you know, execute, analyze, and execute on US30. I trade just 30 on a daily basis, guys. So it's one of the pairs, or not even a pair, one of the indices that I focus on each and every single day. Whether I win or lose, it's what I eat. So I actually, you know, it's something that, you know, I focus more on. So what you focus on obviously has to grow. That's why I was able to capitalize on such an opportunity. And, you know, I think also because it confirmed to me with one of my powerful strategies that allows me to, you know, scale in and stuff, that I need to scale much more in. I only went in once because of a minor trade that I took at the back here. So obviously with this one, I could have made a bit more, more money, but I just tried to be a bit more safe with it at the same time, so I don't turn, you know, negative. Because even to be honest, like, I wasn't mentally in the right place to place trades, because, you know, because of the fact that, you know, some of the things that, you know, I've been going through 1, 2, 3, but I managed to have still capitalized from the markets. We were able to make 6K within like a span of what, I don't know, a minute, 2 minutes, somewhere around those numbers. But I'm excited. It was a profitable day. It was an exciting day. I hope that, you know, you did learn from it, because I didn't just show you how I was able to make 6K. I showed you how I actually went, looked for a setup, found a setup, you know, waited for a setup, placed a trade on a setup, and then held it all over to take profits. We literally take profits. I shared it in the premium team, in the premium 2.0 team. I also shared it in the Discord group. So we've got a lot of members that also benefited and ate from this trade. That's something that you also, if you like, obviously want to, you know, become a part of me taking these trades, you want to be with me taking trades 1, 2, 3, and all those things, just be in the part of the 3.0, guys, because that's what I share. I share these things whenever I'm seeing opportunity. I'll make sure that I do get to share, so you also get to eat. I'll also leave the link down in the description box, or you can find it in our Telegram public group. Or you can just search forexjesus.com and just make sure that you do find your way there. But it's a wine someone to be. I'm glad that you did get to see how we analyze, we kill US30 on a daily basis. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure that you're subscribed.